Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So let's now read for Aquarius 2021 March. So let's see what we have for Aquarius. Okay. I'm sitting in a different setting today in my bedroom to record because my children have online classes. So I have kept that room free for them. Okay. So Aquarius March. Aquarius March, I feel that Aquarians, you see what is happening, that in your subconscious level you're thinking a lot about karma, Aquarians. That what we did is coming back to us, or maybe what our karma is, going to give us, and so on. These are very spiritual thoughts that you're getting, and also the law of karma is working a lot on your mind. A lot. Okay, also you're thinking about how to overcome all these obstacles in your life with love and care, right? With love, with nice, with a sweet struggle. Okay, sweet struggle as I call it. The first week of March is going to get you into a lot of inner conflict. Okay, it could be an inner conflict, it could be a conflict with other people, or maybe trying to overcome those obstacles which you have been going through up till now. The first week, you will be fighting with like people who are maybe more powerful than you, more bigger than you, or maybe that struggle around you was more powerful and bigger. Okay, in the month of March, the first week, there is a inner conflict as well as an outer conflict for Aquarians. Okay, let's see what second week is going to get you. Second week is going to get you a lot of building things from the scratch, as if you are building a palace and you're going to start from the first brick. Okay, also this card signifies let going of old issues and trying to build new issues, like new positive things in your life, right? um, in the month of March, second week will also get you a lot of new projects. The second week will be new projects, new beginnings, a lot of you will be busy in making money a lot. Like you'll be thinking about money all the time. You will be trying to recreate your money, maybe what you have lost. There's a lot of recreation energy, lot of recreation energy, lot of building energy, lot of new project energy, not lot of something new, something nice and positive that you're going to be totally busy in. In the third week, you are going to again sit, think, and contemplate. Sit, think, and contemplate. Sit, think, and contemplate. You're going to sit, think as to how to go about things. You're going to, to contemplate whether I should, whether I shouldn't. You're going to take a step back. Okay, in the third week. Also, remember in the third week, one thing you might go through, it might not resonate with everyone, that you need to keep your temper in control. You need to keep your anger in control in the third week, because you might get into fight or conflict with someone, especially a female. That's what I feel. Or some female might come on to you to have an argument or try to trigger you into having an argument so that that person benefits. With the argument, sometimes we will create arguments to put you down, to see how bad this person is, trying to trick you into an argument. So you need to keep your calm, your calmness. You need to be in control of your anger. Okay. The fourth week is a very balanced week. It will be celebration, maybe with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, and there will be all happiness, party, maybe going out, and it will be a good time. The fourth week will be a good time, a very balanced time. Okay, even at work, it will be a very balanced energy. So that was Aquarius 4 weeks. I think it's a good month, but you need to really work on yourself, because eventually you are the one who is going through those conflicts. So when we are going through too many conflicts, we need to do an inner check. Why? What does this conflict give me? Right? So let's see what is there in your relationship. very different energy today when I'm doing this March reading. I don't know why I find it very different. It's a very transforming energy. Wow, the cards are jumping out. Listen. Wow. So few Aquarians in relationship, if you all had taken a step back, maybe you went into a hermit mode and to just go and do some kind of inner check, I feel few of them are coming out of that right now. Okay, they are stepping into the space when they need to connect. They were disconnected a lot from a lot of people. Okay, let's see in relationship. Wow, nice cards. I feel that Aquarians, if you're looking for some kind of soulmate, this is the month where March is the month where you will find someone, or if you already have someone, you will take another step, or maybe a deeper step, a more intimate step with that person. Okay, and there's a card of detachment. Okay, moving on, and let me see what else is there. Heart chakra. So maybe you have to somewhere move on from old energies, maybe old relationships or something that was in the past, detached from the negative and the toxicity of the past, right? Negative and toxicity of the past, and work on your heart chakra. Heart chakra energy is a lot because there's a lot of green in these cards. Okay, in this month, Aquarians need to release all the negativity. Wow. See, there is a shadow self, there's an inner child issue, there is releasing. So, there's a strong need to release your past inner child problem, maybe a past issue or past childhood issue which you need to release very strongly. Very strongly, you need to release. Okay, and that is where your love is going to blossom. You're going to get what you want. There's another card of soulmate twin flame. Maybe you're going through a twin flame journey. Okay, people who are wanting to even have a relation, single people, you will invite your twin flame in your life if you release all the past energies. Okay, you need to listen to your heart and come out of that loneliness, isolation. So in the month of March, I feel a lot of Aquarians are going to come out of their loneliness. They're going to find someone, or people who are in a relationship, they need to release their toxicity of the past, maybe past patterns, because if it's a twin flame journey, soulmate journey, then past has to be released, right? So that's all, and let me see what my fairies have to tell you, Aquarians. My cute little fairies. They play a lot of mischief with me at times. You know what they do? I can never find my specs. I'm always looking for my specs. And when I acknowledge them and tell them, please find my specs for me, and there it is, right in front of me. I won't be able to see it 5 minutes back. So let's see what my fairies and pixies. Whom do you need to forgive? See, again, past energies. As you release your old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. Exactly what I told you, Aquarians. Isn't it? Release your past in the month of March. Transformation is coming. Your twin flame soulmate is coming. Beautiful message. Okay, so I hope you all like the reading. Let me know in the comment box. Please share it with your family and friends. Go like my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And do subscribe to my channel. Don't only just watch. Share it with your family and friends. And press the bell icon. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Bye.